So how to transfer a file wirelessly to Android to iPhone, MacBook or MacBook to your Android easily. First of all, you have to go to your Android Play Store and install Airdrop. I already installed it. So press on Open. Then you can see the account creation option. Just sign in or sign up with a Gmail account, both device. Then go to your Mac and type web.airdroid.com, and you have to complete the same process as like mobile. You have to sign in or sign up a account for your MacBook also. So once done, then you can see this kind of interface. You have to press on AirDroid web scan option and simply scan this code, and you have to sign in your account as well. Sign in with a Gmail account. Then press on next and entering your password and press on next. And once done, it's say your phone is connected with your PC. You see, connected. Now if you go to your photos option, then you can see all of your photos. Suppose if you want to download this image, then press on image. You can choose multiple as well, then press on download and select your folder, and it will be downloading. And if you want to upload from your Mac to your Android, then press on upload file, then select file. Suppose I want to select this file, press on this one, then press on open, and it's uploading. You see, it's come. So that's it. This is how you can easily transfer image or video to your iPhone to Mac or Mac to iPhone. Hope it helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.